Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add an admin to your Facebook page using a PC or Mac. Whether you're using Windows, a Chromebook, or any desktop browser, the steps are almost the same. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to facebook.com. Sign into the Facebook account that manages the page. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu that appears, switch to the Facebook page you want to manage. If you have multiple profiles or pages, click See All Profiles and select the correct page. After switching to your page, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click Professional Dashboard. In the Professional Dashboard, scroll down the left menu until you find the Your Tools section. Click on Page Access. Under the People with Facebook Access section, click Add New. Then click Next to continue. Now use the search box to find the person you want to add as an admin. Select their Facebook profile from the search results. You'll now see the permissions they can receive. To make them an administrator with full control of the page, scroll down and turn on the option labeled Allow this person to have full control. After enabling full control, click Give Access. For security purposes, Facebook will ask you to enter your account password. Type your password and click Confirm. Facebook will send an invitation to the person you've selected. Once they accept the invitation and complete the confirmation process, they'll be added as an admin with full access to your Facebook page. And that's it. You've successfully added an admin to your Facebook page using your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Facebook tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.